These are the directions for finding information on religion in your World's Fair country. Start by typing in the name of your country at the top. For this example, we will use the United States. First step is to go to the CIA World Factbook and look up your country. So you're going to click on the link, go to the CIA World Factbook, and you're going to select your country. Once you've gone to your page on the CIA World Factbook, you're going to do step number 2. Find your World's Fair country and go to the People and Society section. Remember, the People and Society section is right here. Then it says, find the religion section and cut and paste the types of religions and percentages in the space below. So on the CIA World Factbook, we're going to scroll down to where it says religions. And all of this here is what you're going to be copying and pasting into this section right here. Once you have copied this in, you're going to do step number 4, which is go to the BBC Religions website. The directions say, find the sections for the top 3 religions you have above. Then, in your own words, summarize the important information in the bulleted section of the Religion at a Glance section. Looking above, we see Protestant and Roman Catholic. Those are both Christianity. Then we have Jewish. Mormon is another form of Christianity, as well as other Christians. And then Muslim. So the 3 religions I would be doing are Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. I'm going to do my example on here on Islam. So I'm going to go back to the BBC Religions page. I'm going to find Islam. And remember, you're going to the Islam or whatever your religion is at a glance section. I'm going to click on the link here. When you get to the religion at a glance section, there's some of the most important information about the religion. You're going to take a few of the most important things in here, put them in your own words, and write down your summary paragraph in the section here that says information on biggest religions. As you can see, I've written a paragraph that summarized the important information on the BBC website, and it is about 5 sentences long. Please see the next video for information on how to fill out the second page of this World's Fair religion sheet.